Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Pi to your OKX wallet step by step. So first thing you're going to need to do is just log into your OKX account. So just go to the assets section and then just select deposit. So just click on this one. So in the deposit options, you have to search for Pi or Pi network. And then you can see it in here in the results. So you just have to select this one. So once you select it, a unique address or deposit address starting with M will be generated. So you'll just have to copy this address carefully. So once you see this one right here, then that means that you have copied the address. So you have to ensure that no characters are omitted or altered just to make sure. Then once you have copied the wallet address, just go to the Pi browser application and select the wallet option. So unlock your wallet using your passphrase, and then once you're here, just click on pay/request to start a new transaction. And then you will be asked to paste a deposit address, or you just have to paste the wallet address that you've copied earlier into the recipient field. So there's no need to enter a memo for this transaction. And then just enter the amount of Pi that you wish to transfer. So in this case, I'm going to be transferring just one to test it out. And then once you have put all the details here, you have to review all the details carefully. And then once confirmed, just click the send or confirm to initiate the transfer. And then after initiating the transfer, just monitor your OKX account's deposit history in the assets section to confirm the arrival of your Pi tokens. So the transfer might take time. So it depends on the network conditions. So you just have to patiently wait for it. And that's it. That's how you transfer Pi to your OKX wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!